my channel. So today I am going to be reviewing a product that I received for free to do my opinion on it. But first I'm going to tell you how I received this product for free. About a month ago I joined this group called Influenster. It's where you make a profile about your interests like beauty, food you like to eat, your exercising, what products you use. And then products you have around the house, you would go on there and make a review on it, take pictures. And if you have a catching profile where you get a lot of people looking at your profile and liking your reviews, someone from Influencer would send you products. So I finally got my first Vox box, it's called. And if you want to see the product that I will be doing for review, then keep on watching. Alright, so when you receive your product, it will come in a cute little box like this. And then inside will be whatever product they want you to do reviews on. So it'll be like this. Oh, and right there it says Influencer. And the product that I will be testing out is from Huda Beauty. And then it'll be all wrapped in tissue paper. And the product is this. It is the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. You deserve the best lashes, and we legitimately swear to give you the major volume and always provide dramatic curl and insane length. You get 2 mascaras in one, and then they're showing the before and then after. And then that's how the volume brush will be. And then this is how the curl and length side brush will be. Now, I personally don't really ever wear mascara, so this will definitely be 100% honest review of if I like it. I'm more of if I'm going to wear mascara, I like more volume than really the length. So, because I figure with length, I don't like when I blink and stuff, it like comes off right here. So, but these are my eyelashes right now. So, I have them, but they're just not that dark. So, but I did watch Huda's review on YouTube, and I did see the before and after, which was pretty dramatic. So, it's pretty cool. And you can also purchase this at Sephora, and I believe it's $27. I will have everything marked down below. So let's get into it. Alright, so on the back of my card, it does tell you about the product, and it does retail for $27. And like I say, you can purchase this at Sephora. And it tells you what it does. For the volume, this formula features low gravity volumizing fibers for a volume beyond belief without weight or stiffness. Curl and length, this formula includes gripping waxes and fibers. And it has a curved injected brush to boost the length, define and curl even your tiniest lashes. And this mascara gives you the confidence to go falsy, free with volume, curl, and length. And then you can, it shows Huda's tips. You can just use the volume, which looks like that. You can use just the curl, where it curls your lashes, or you can use both, which looks like that. So, let's open the product up. Oh, and the color is very Vanta, extreme black. Well, this is very, very nice. That's how it looks. It's a very sleek black tube. And on the back, it shows you this side is for volume, and this side is for curl and length. And on the one side, on the volume side, it shows it is 8.5 milliliters. And then on the curl and length, another 8.5 milliliters. So technically, for $27, you are getting 2 mascaras in one, which is a pretty good deal. That's about $13.50 per side. All right, so we are gonna start off with the volume side. It's a twist tube, and then the wand looks something like this. Let me put that side down. I'm gonna just do one eye and then we'll compare it to the other one. So I guess we will do this eye for you. So this is the volume side. And right off the back, look how black it is. It's going on very, very, wow, look at that, very nicely. It's like smooth. But like, and then compared to that eye. That is crazy, like how it opens your eye. Maybe I'll start wearing mascara. All right, so then I'm gonna do the other side. This is the curl in length, and the brush looks like this. Put that on. Oh wow, it definitely lightens and curls. Wow, look at that. And then, wow, that is freaking crazy. Now, I don't wear mascara, so this was pretty easy for me to use, and I love it. Wow. That is crazy. All right, well, I would give it a 10 out of 10. I highly, highly recommend this mascara. Like, that is insane. All right, beauties. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. And until my next video, bye.